Welcome to our channel. Automatic savings removes the decision-making from saving money, making it effortless to build wealth over time. Here's how to establish an effective system. Step 1. Calculate how much you can realistically save each month. Review your budget to find the difference between income and essential expenses. Then choose a percentage or fixed amount. Step 2. Open a separate savings account if you don't already have one. High-yield savings accounts offer better interest rates than regular checking accounts and keep money separate from daily spending. Step 3. Schedule automatic transfers through your bank's online platform or mobile app. Look for Transfers or Payments sections and select Set up Automatic Transfer. Step 4. Choose the transfer frequency that matches your income schedule. If paid bi-weekly, set up transfers every 2 weeks. Monthly income calls for monthly transfers. Step 5. Set the transfer date for right after your paycheck deposits, typically 1 to 2 days after payday. This ensures funds are available and implements the pay yourself first principle. Step 6. Start with a conservative amount if you're unsure what you can afford. It's better to begin small and increase the amount later than to start too high and have to reduce it. Step 7. Review your automatic savings setup after 3 months to assess if the amount is appropriate. If you consistently have money left over, consider increasing your savings rate. Step 8. Resist the urge to transfer money back to checking unless facing a genuine emergency. Trust the automatic system you've created and watch your savings grow consistently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.